Let's run some numbers to see what made U.S. households more money in the last decade, stocks or real estate. Taking a look at the past 10 years, research shows that home prices in the San Jose, California metro rose more than $1 million, reaching $1,640,000 in 2021 and $1.9 million in Q2 2022. That's an average of $266 per day. Coming in second, San Francisco homes added an average of $208 a day. That's pretty unbelievable. But what if you don't live or own a home in the top two housing markets between 2011 and 2021? Well, Los Angeles, Long Beach, Glendale rose by $123 a day. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, West Palm rose $74 a day, while Peoria, Illinois rose by just $3 a day. More proof we live in a world of haves and have-nots. So how much did the S&P 500 deliver per day? Let's do some rough math. If you put $10,000 into the S&P 500 at the beginning of 2011, you would have had $37,774 at the end of 2021. Good for a 278% increase. Break it down per day, and that $27,774 you made generated $7.61 per day. Of course, this doesn't count additional contributions or dividend reinvestment. It also doesn't take into account the roughly 22% decrease in SPY year to date. For the record, home prices in the San Jose market increased 15.9% between the end of 2021 and Q2 2022. But keep in mind that there's a difference between making money and making money. If you don't sell, it's all on paper. If you sell a house you live in, you must secure subsequent shelter. This costs money. And who knows the state of your mortgage? Similar story on stocks. If you planned on retiring this year, the S&P's decline might have thrown a wrench in your plans. However, if you cashed out at the end of 2021, you ended up in a relatively strong position. The bottom line is this. No matter how you slice it, the period between 2011 and 2021 might go down as the golden age of the American dream. Lots of people made lots of money in real estate and the stock market. What a difference 9 months can make. A baby can pop out, mortgage rates can go from 3% to 7%, home prices can actually go down in California, stocks can flirt with bear market territory, the economy looks like it might enter a recession. We believe there's always opportunity, and we'll be here with strategies to help you live your best money life, no matter the times, good, bad, or otherwise.